Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be taking you through the Ethos website. Ethos Universal Wallet, now available worldwide on Android and iOS. You can click this button to learn more. One cryptocurrency wallet to rule them all. State-of-the-art security, easy to use by design, the info you need at your fingertips. Your spot on the blockchain, mobile first, social by nature. Financial freedom simplified, introducing the Ethos Smart Key. Store, track, learn, send, and receive, all in one wallet app. Smart Wallet, Cold Wallet, which is coming soon. Watchfolio, coins. Your spot on the blockchain. Introducing Ethos Verified Wallets domains. So you can read all of these information in your spare time. So I'm going to end the video right here. You can subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and you can also go to the WheezCoins website to find more information about Bitcoin.